Good morning. It is going to be quite a busy week, so I'm starting my Monday with coffee and a walk. I think that's a really helpful way to just kind of like center myself, take a little walk, breathe in some fresh air before we hit the road. Not actually going anywhere, but we are officially starting the Social Media Management Accelerator. All of our students are enrolled, ready to go, and I'm going to be live teaching now for the next 8 weeks. So it is going to be intense, it's going to be busy. I'll take you along for our first class today and show you what that's like. So we are good. Let's go ahead and get started. Long Island, Alabama, Singapore, India. Oh my gosh, we have a global. Grand Rapids, Michigan. Hello, I'm from Kalamazoo, so you're not too far from my hometown. I wasn't even able to record any B-roll because it just, boom, I forgot how fast that moves. Oh my goodness. Over 100 people on a call is no joke. I have over 100 people in my Freelance Friday Club group, but there's usually not all 100 of them on the call. You know, it's usually like 20 at a time. Lots of questions. Even with Megan on the call helping out, it was still just so much. So I feel a little beat. I'm sure you can hear my voice is like not really doing well. My throat is actually hurting, which is not good sign. Not good at all. So I'm gonna take the day off of talking because I can't talk. I can't do any more talking. I need to preserve my voice. I'm back in the exact same spot. So I actually just took a nap. I was very tired. It's just been a lot preparing for this course, and now I'm getting ready to get on a phone interview. I'm getting on an interview with a reporter from the Washington Post. So long story short, I mentioned to you all, I kind of teased that I was going to start a second podcast. Did that, and I'll link it down below if anyone's interested. It's really just for fun. Like seriously, don't listen if you don't like me. Don't listen if you think I'm annoying. Like honestly, really and truly. But it's mostly about music and pop culture and things that I just enjoy in my life. And I also tell some of my like life stories. I talked about my sobriety and just like a bunch of other stuff on there. Anyway, one of my favorite artists is Casey Musgraves. She just released a new record. She has a song called Breadwinner. Long story short, the stars aligned. I heard from a reporter from the Washington Post who wants to talk to women who make more than their partners or who have made more than their partners about how that song has like, you know, resonated with us. I've dated guys who were very uncomfortable with that or made me choose between them and my career or said they were supportive but low-key were like jealous and stuff. So anyway, I will link the article if it's out. She said they're trying to move pretty quickly on it. So hi Bethan. I'm good, how are you? Yeah, I know, I'm excited. Cool, have a good day, bye. Hello, it is Tuesday and just had a Freelance Friday Club call. Beth and Wright presented on business growing pains, which man, do I relate to those. And then I just had a phone call with my lawyer, my attorney, to talk about some trademark stuff. So I just got an email though that our concrete has been poured in our house. So that's really exciting. I have a lot I'm working on. I have to work on slides for tomorrow's SMMA session and my slides or practicing for my digital summit session. But these were the only 2 meetings of the day that I had, hence the chilled out look. So I'm gonna go type something up really quick on the computer, send it over to Megan, and then we are gonna run to the store. I'm gonna be honest with you, Norris. These are some of my favorite times of the day, is our lunch drive chats. We were having some good chats about outsourcing stuff and business and people and yeah. Anyway, we're getting some Del Taco, so.
Is that what this conversation is? This is a business conversation? We got a coupon. That's what you need. You need the Del Taco coupon.
I need the rewards app. Hello?
The rewards is like free tacos every 3
hey, what's
tacos.
Up? Got a bit of an intense day today. I am getting ready, sorry if that light just blinded you, getting ready for class 2 of the Social Media Management Accelerator, and literally the second I get done with that, I need to run out the door to go to Digital Summit. I'm not presenting today, it's tomorrow, but the opening keynote is today at like 1:15 or something. And I just want to go the day before to kind of get a lay of the land, pick up my badge, see some of the presenters, understand which stage I'm going to be on, all of that stuff. So kind of an intense day. So I haven't picked up the camera yet. I apologize for that, but I'll show you my outfit. I've got 4 minutes before I gotta get on my class. My outfit's going to be really cute tomorrow, I think. I think it's cute. But today I'm just going super casual. I'm wearing these jeans that I wear all the time, and this black blazer, which is from Ministry of Supply, belt, these necklaces, and these like fun platform Oxfords. I love these shoes. I usually don't wear shoes in my house. I just realized that, but I just put it all together. And anyway, let's teach a class, shall we? Done with my class, hopped in the car. I'm gonna try to make this opening keynote, but it's happening like right now. But I think it's an hour long, so I'll try to sneak into the end of it. And I'm gonna let my voice rest again because these calls are no joke. It is an hour of straight talking, lots of questions coming in. They're very intense. I feel like I just worked out and I have a little bit of a headache now. So I'm gonna try to just relax and sit and listen to other people talk for a little bit. Post-conference lunchy lunch, we're gonna go to Seva. I need a burger. I feel like I need some protein. It's making me kind of dizzy. It's not good.
I want to bring up our next speaker to the stage. Let's give it up for Latasha James.
Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and joining me. There's so many great sessions going on today, so I appreciate you being here. Discoverable content is the content that is going to get people to your channel in the first place. It's going to be that attention-grabbing, SEO-friendly, how-to content. But to get people to stay and to get people to like you and trust you and get to know you a little bit, you also need community content. And what I see a lot of times is people go one way or the other, right? They do all of you host webinars and talking heads and about us kind of videos, or they're just having fun and they're just playing around. They're just trying to go viral, trying to do funny videos or vlog style videos, and they're not really balancing these two. So we should all, if we're investing in a content marketing strategy, particularly on YouTube, we shouldn't just be a business with a YouTube channel. We should really be thinking of ourselves as a media company. Okay. So I talked about a lot of different video examples. I couldn't share them all with you, of course, for time's sake, but if you want to scan that fancy QR code that we now all finally know how to use, you can get a playlist of some of these video examples if you want to check them out when you go back to the office. Cool. Well, thank you, everyone. I hope this was helpful, and enjoy the video examples.
All right, Norris, how was your first digital summit? You having a good time?
Actually, low key, when I actually talk to other people,
Yeah.
it's nice.
What up? All right. We're probably gonna kick it. Is that even what you say?
Yeah, it's time to kick it.
probably
Well, no,
gonna-
you mean like we leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, we about to bounce.
We're about to bounce.
Yeah.
Go get some food. Thank you again, Megan. Yeah, so we're gonna go get some food. I think it's been a good day. It's fun. I was telling Norris it's like really. Hey, look how I was telling Norris it's like really fun to have him here. Because I used to come to these conferences all the time when I worked at my corporate job, which was also very fun. You know, I loved my team, but obviously nothing beats being able to work with your partner. Like, it's pretty cool. So Somebody called us a power couple, kind of.
Hey.
It was kind of cute. Okay, bye. Okay, I know that I often say, hey, my house is a mess, and like a lot of times it's really not even that bad, but no, it's a mess today. Please ignore. This is like my core focus of the weekend is cleaning my house. So I was rewatching some of the footage from this vlog and I'm like, it is all over the place. So I apologize for that, but the good news is the talk is over. It went really well. I had a headache the day leading up and the day of the event, really bad. The day before my talk, I just like came home after the conference and took a shower and laid in bed for like the whole rest of the night. So I'm realizing it truly was stress because the second I got on stage, the headache went away. It was nuts. It's Friday. I still have work to do today. But I just kind of was thinking because when I posted a little clip on my Instagram, somebody who has, we followed each other for a while, he commented and he was like, oh my gosh, I totally called it like 4 years ago. And I was like, oh my gosh, you did. I looked back on Twitter and I'll post the screenshot here. He was like, oh my gosh, you should be on Digital Summit stage talking about YouTube. And it's like just so funny how he completely like spoke that into existence and making avocado toast. Okay. And I just wanted to say that like my best business advice is truly to stay the course. My best business advice is to keep at it. It's funny. I feel like a loser all the time, really and truly. Like I feel like I'm not getting anywhere. Like obviously I know my business is doing well financially and stuff, but in terms of like clout, right? YouTube and stuff like that, I'm like, I suck. Like I'm so irrelevant, but I don't know, when you look back and you're like, okay, that was 4 years ago. And I thought that was such a pipe dream, when he said that. And yeah, 4 years is not a long time. The thing about business though, is a lot of people aren't willing to dedicate 4 years to something. A lot of people are looking for that instant success. And again, I say this all the time, but instant success is for the few. It certainly did not happen for me. It's been a slow grind and I'm happy with that. But my point is stay the course. Consistency is really the best business hack that I know. I clearly can't multitask. Consistency is the best business hack that I know. Okay, that's the lesson I wanted to share. I didn't speak on Oprah's stage or anything like that, but hey, maybe in a couple years, maybe I can get somebody to speak that into existence for me. But I also want to say that it's really important to surround yourself with people who believe in you too. When I get comments of you guys saying similar things, or Nora said something the other day about like the growth of my business. He had a dream about, something happening in my business. And like hearing that other people believe in you is very important too. So if you don't have people like that, or if you have friends, I've certainly had friends who weren't happy for me. I still have friends or fake friends that like aren't happy for me in those situations and are competitive, and it's like, you gotta not surround yourself with those people. I think it is such an underrated like business hack is having supportive people, having people who believe in you, because you need to know it's possible first. You need to know that you're not out of your mind for thinking that you can achieve certain things. And if you don't have those people, let me tell you, you are not out of your mind. You can absolutely do whatever it is that you're reaching for. Just stick with it, Now, today, oh my gosh, yesterday I was like, I'm gonna do nothing tomorrow. And then I was like, wait, I have a lot of stuff to do still. So I'm about to get on a call with SMMA. Megan is actually teaching this class. I teach pretty much all of the classes, but we do have 3 guest instructors. Megan is one of them. So we'll have 3 sessions with other instructors. She's gonna talk about mindset and energy management, which I'm excited about. So that will be nice because I don't actually have to teach. So I just introduce her and sip my coffee and enjoy. And then I'm actually gonna be meeting with one of my viewers, former clients, friends, to talk about a video series that we wanna kind of collaborate on. So that'll be fun. I think that's all that I have on my agenda today, besides just like some editing, some work here and there, mailing my vision test results out to the state of Michigan, because apparently they forced me to go back to the eye doctor to make sure my prescription hasn't changed. Yeah, just boring stuff like that. So let's crush this week. Seriously, I'm ready for the weekend. I'm ready to just sleep in. You wanna know something else funny? I did tell myself, because this call is not till noon, I was like, I'm gonna sleep in. I'm gonna set my alarm for like 10 in, you know, I can sleep in that late if I need to. How come every time I do that, I wake up at 7:30? I was so exhausted and I still woke up at 7:30 today, so I hope I can sleep in tomorrow. That'll be nice.
Our mindset is. So the more that you start to open these new synapses, the more that you'll kind of get that desire for action. And action is the most important part. So that's why I have it bolded here. Number 2 is effort. Okay, so we have to move from that place of perception to action, and that's where the connections happen. And we're going to keep coming back to this action place over and over and over again, because that's what is so important. The repetition is the work.
I was doing my best Kris Jenner, all of that presentation and like live Instagram storying. I just like, sometimes I get a little emotional. I'm just so proud of her. Yes, now I have an hour. I should probably eat lunch too. I'm gonna make lunch. Yeah, let's do that. It's about 3:40. I'm done with my calls for the day. I'm gonna log off. I'm gonna say goodbye to you all and just kind of do some brainstorming, mapping out these lessons for our key offer for 2022. For anyone who's curious, we will probably be offering the social media management accelerator again as well, but we have something super exciting that's coming, and I don't know, I just got so many good ideas for it. So I'm gonna leave you here. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, comment down below, do all the things. And of course, if you are feeling extra generous, you can share this video with a friend if you liked it. And thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for believing in me, for those of you who do. And for my haters, thank you as well, because you all make me stronger, even if I don't like to admit it. All right, have a good rest of your day. Talk to you next time.